Adopt Bluetooth 4.0 solution, support for iOS, for Android device directly connected to Play. Bluetooth connectivity does not require redundant gaming platforms and complex setup and activation operations. Support for Android 6.0 or above, for iOS 11.0 or higher system. Bluetooth link supports smart TV/set-top box/PC computer. Equipped with a detachable disc cross button.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Please do subscribe, like, share.
Thanks for watching JP Store. Like and subscribe this video. Subscribe our JP Store channel.